We're still early in the rumor cycle, but whispers about next year's Galaxy S26 lineup have already started making the rounds. Design details usually don't lock in until about 6 months before launch, so expect a lot of changes between now and then. Still, given the backlash over Samsung's lack of meaningful upgrades on the Galaxy S25, it's no surprise that people are already looking ahead. One of the more interesting early rumors: Samsung was reportedly considering an under-display camera, or UDC, for the Galaxy S26. But according to new leaks, that might not happen after all. Samsung first introduced a UDC on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and while the idea was great, getting rid of notches and hole punches for a seamless screen, the execution, not so much. The camera quality was subpar, and while Samsung has improved it with each Fold release, it's still nowhere near as good as a traditional selfie cam. Despite initial speculation that the S26 would get a UDC, leaker Panda Flash on X, via Digital Trends, now claims it's highly unlikely that Samsung will bring the tech to the Galaxy S series for at least another 2 or 3 years. And honestly, that might be for the best. Samsung needs to step up its game. Under-display cameras had a lot of hype when they first launched. They gave us edge-to-edge displays without annoying notches or clunky pop-up cameras. Looking at you, OnePlus 7 Pro. But the reality hasn't lived up to expectations, and on newer Galaxy Z Fold models, the UDC is actually more noticeable, not less. Samsung clearly has work to do before this tech is ready for prime time. But given how underwhelming the Galaxy S25 lineup was, the company needs to step it up with the S26, whether that means better cameras, a new design, or something else entirely. And let's be real. When you compare the Galaxy S25 Ultra to phones like the OnePlus 13, which offers more RAM, better battery tech, and an IP69 rating for less money, it's hard not to question what Samsung is doing. So, while the S26 probably won't ditch the hole punch camera just yet, I'm hoping Samsung takes a bigger swing with its next flagship lineup. So, what do you think? Are you still holding out hope for under-display camera tech, or do you think it's a lost cause? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.